In this video, I am going to show you the experiment transistor function with connector. For this, we require transistor module and LED module to understand whether transistor is working or not. Let's connect the transistor module to power supply. From signal, I am taking a wire, but I am leaving it empty. This is the connector which we are going to use for the test purpose. And from output of the transistor, we are giving to LED. We have to close the circuit, so I am giving negative of LED to negative of battery. Now transistor is not turned on, that is why LED is not glowing here. How to turn it on? If I give a signal can be anything. So simply I am using a power supply here to give the signal. So when I connect this wire to the power supply, transistor will turn on and gives an output. You can see that whenever I touch the wire to the power supply, transistor is acting like a switch. At this wire, we can connect any of these sensors to take input or signal from the sensor and turn on the transistor. That's how transistor work as a switch and turns on the output device, that might be LED module or buzzer module.